Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create a quick invitation using Photoshop. I've gone ahead and opened a new document by going to File then New, and I've also pre-entered my preset details. This is going to be a standard 5x7 inch invitation with 300 pixels per inch, which is high quality. I'm using CMYK color because our printers here are CMYK based, but if you're using a printer that is RGB or plan to not print this invitation, only use it on screen, then select RGB as the color mode. I then click Create. I am now going to start inserting my floral image. I go to File, Place Embedded, and choose the image I will be using. Today I'm using a floral bouquet, and I will leave a link to it in the description. I will then start resizing and moving my image to where I would like it. In this case, it will be placed in the top and bottom corners. Once I'm happy with the size and placement, I click the tick up here to place it. I need to do the same for the bottom bouquet, so I come to the Layers panel and I right click and duplicate this layer. Now all I need to do is just move the bouquet around until it is symmetrical. Next I come to the type tool and I'm going to start to write in the names. The font I'm using today is called Adelicia, and I'll leave a link to that also in the description. You may have noticed that I've placed the names and the ampersand on different layers. This is so I can move them around and into position easier. Once I'm happy with the placement, I then move on to the rest of the details. Now with this section, I just want to make the text a little bit fancy. So I'm going to select the date and make it a larger point size. And I also want to change the spacing. So I'm going to select all my text, come up to Type, Panels, Character Panel, and in here I'm going to change it from 20 to 100. And now that I've entered in all my text, I just play around with the spacing and the layers, make sure everything is where I want them before I go ahead and save. From here I'm going to save the invitation as a PSD file by going to File, Save As, choosing Photoshop as the format, and then just saving. Whenever you're ready to print, just go back into the Photoshop file and save as needed. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you again in the next video.